Isn't the rain always the best reminder that your windshield wiper blades are getting old? When they start streaking or, not hitting every part of the wet part of the windshield, it's likely time to replace them. So I prefer to use Bosch Evolutions for the 5th gen 4Runner, any maker model. It's the same size. You'll need a 24-inch and a 20-inch blade. All right, so the 20-inch blade goes on the passenger side. The longer 24-inch goes on the driver's side. You'll see I just removed my driver blade and then realized there may be some people out there that are getting stuck figuring out how to do this, or maybe intimidated to do it and are overpaying. I'll link these blades on Amazon. That's where I like to buy them. But let's go ahead and dive in. I'm not going to make this a long video. So literally all we have to do, guys, is open up this cage here, pull it down, and you'll release it from that little sheep hook, if you want to call it that. All right. All right, so I just took the blade out. You'll see it looks very similar. It's got the squeeze and lift feature and then that little cage in there. Now you'll notice that it comes with this adapter as well as the instructions. You won't need either one of those. At least I never use them. You guys tell me if I'm doing something wrong, but okay. So I've got my blade like this. I'm gonna slide the new blade into that hook like so. Up, locked, all the way locked. You notice it was 2 clicks, and then I'm going to close that, lower the blade, and we'll do the next one together too. All right, the 24-inch, same exact situation. Slide it up and in till it locks, close it, put it back down. All right, we're ready to go. This is a very basic video. This is not going to be the feature of the channel, as extremely basic stuff like this, but you'd be surprised what videos get the most views, guys. The basic stuff that everybody wants to know. So you guys have a great day. Appreciate you watching the channel, and we will see you soon with a more advanced video.